Today we're replacing the rear side marker bulb or park light bulb in your second generation Hyundai Santa Fe, and we'll do this step by step. This is Caswell's Kappa. Now let's get to it. To replace the DRL, we'll need to come inside and remove this panel. To remove this panel, grab a flathead and wedge it in between one of the openings to pry free the panel. Looking inside, we'll see a lot going on, but we're mainly focusing in this area. In this area, we'll see one electrical connector and three 10mm nuts. All of these need to be disconnected and removed. To remove the connector, reach in behind. There's a little tab here. Grab it, push in, and pull up. With the electrical connector disconnected, we can focus on our nuts. Be very careful not to drop these inside the interior of your vehicle. Once the three nuts are removed, just grab your taillight assembly, slide it out. Now as we can see, the taillight assembly is still held on by this weather seal. Just push in somewhere on the inside and just slowly pull it out, and the whole thing will disconnect. Now, before we replace any bulbs, we need to know which is which, so we're replacing the right one. You have your main brake bulb, your turn signal bulb, which is kind of right here, and then your daytime running light. Turning it around, we see the same thing. We have your DRL, your turn signal bulb, and your main brake light. To remove the DRL light, grab the housing, twist it to the left, pull out the bulb, grab it, and slide it out. To install the new bulb, hold it with a paper towel or glove to prevent heat spot. Just push it in its slot, be careful not to break it until it clicks. From there, insert it into the housing, slide it into the grooves, and twist it to the right to lock it in place. With the bulbs replaced, we can install our taillight assembly. To install the taillight housing, slide the connector in first. Once you get to the weatherproof, you'll just squish it in until you feel it slide into its slot. To install the taillight assembly, take note of the 4 studs. Align everything together and slide it into place. From here, we can install our 10mm nuts. Do not drop them, you will lose them. Tighten them till they're snug. And push in the electrical connector till it clicks. From here, grab your panel. Make sure these 2 tabs are facing the back. Slide it in place, push till it clicks. And that's it. You've completed this procedure. Thank y'all so much for checking out the video. I hope that it helped y'all out, that you learned something new. I will see y'all in the next one. Until then.